The timing of Malaba's retirement is not just a matter of birthdays and a judicial transition. It is a moment of profound political significance. As he prepares to step down, a new legal storm is gathering over Zimbabwe. The ruling ZANU-PF party is reportedly pushing for Constitutional Amendment number 3, piece of legislation that could extend President Mnangagwa's rule until 2030. The final battle, Constitutional Amendment number 3. Double subscribe or like or on the bell icon. The proposed amendment has already faced fierce challenge from a group of war veterans led by Ruben Zulu and Godfrey Korea. They are seeking to nullify the bill, arguing that it is a direct violation of Section 328(7) of the Constitution, which prohibits any amendment that extends the term of an incumbent from benefiting that person. The veterans have taken their case to the Constitutional Court, with the high-stakes hearing scheduled on 20 May 2026. In a move that many see as a final act of judicial property, it has been confirmed that Chief Justice Malawa will not sit on the 7-member bench set to hear this case. His retirement on 15 May, just 5 days before the hearing, ensures that the most controversial decision of the decade will be made by his successor and the remaining members of the court. The Attorney General Virginia Mapisa has already filed opposing papers, arguing that the veterans' challenge is speculative because the bill has not yet become law. Ndomba developments alipopangwa kuna Zimbabwe penako message pendunza hukra enyu panahodze zviriitika zvema constitutional amendment. Subscribe or like up on the bell icon.